Welcome back to our Product Communicator series. Let's continue our presentation by duplicating Scene 2 and hiding all the text boxes. Now let's perform a neat trick to open the lid without changing the position of the main body. Ensure that the currently selected part matches the part parent in the assembly tree. Next, let's bring in the robot to adjust the position of the door cover. Here's a handy tip. Add a scene in this view, and then delete it. xHighlight automatically corrects the orientation of the view as desired. With these techniques, you can navigate your presentations with ease and precision. With xHighlight, you have the ability to add a circle arrow into your model to indicate the orientation of the plate. You can customize various aspects of the arrow, including the center position, radius, and arc length. Additionally, you can modify the style of the arrow directly from the Properties window on the right. With xHighlight, you have full control over how you convey information in your presentations. We wrap up by discussing video sharing options. You can select content scenes to share from the current scene or from all scenes. Furthermore, xHighlight offers high-resolution exportation options and frame rates ranging from 30 to 60 FPS. And there you have it. With xHighlight, you can take your product presentations to the next level. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most out of Product Communicator. Until next time, happy showcasing.